Here we are with Dattatreya Apte. Apte sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sir, I'd like to ask you a few questions
Yes.
regarding your work and your life. So, being an artist, what inspired you to be an artist? Like, what was the reason to be an artist, frankly?
Uh, in my childhood, I remember my grandfather, maternal grandfather, was photographer,
Okay,
and he used to retouch negatives
okay.
on that glass top.
And those days
And-
were like when
Yes.
it's 1919, before the independence?
No, it was early 60s.
Early 60s. Okay,
And he used to paint photographs.
okay,
So I used to observe him while painting photographs. So
Right.
every day my day used to spend with him when I
Okay.
was very small,
Right.
maybe around 4 or 5 years.
Right.
But I used to go there and look at him.
right,
My father was a teacher.
okay,
He was teaching in school.
okay,
He was teaching mostly English, Sanskrit, mathematics, whatever. He was not graduate, but he was matriculate, but he was very studious student in his days.
okay,
And he used to prepare his lessons for
Okay.
teaching in school. So he used to draw for each lesson some
Okay.
illustrations,
okay.
like showing it to students,
Okay.
stories,
Right.
in like which you see now in books
Right,
for children.
Right.
He used to paint it,
he used to paint those things.
paint
To
those.
explain
He
those
used
to
to
the
draw
students.
and paint himself.
To explain to the students, basically.
Yes, the stories.
Right. Okay.
So I was very much curious how it can happen. And he was very simple, like he didn't have brush. So he used to
So
use
you're
cotton.
more curious about the transformation of those
Yes.
things.
How it happens.
How it
He is
happens.
he is telling me a story, and
Right.
the story takes a form of picture.
Right.
And that picture is more interesting than the story itself.
Perfect.
Because I can build my own story after that picture.
Absolutely. Right.
The
right.
words are very specific in while you read it,
Right.
but when you build your own story after an image,
Right.
you make it more interesting.
Absolutely.
Because that appeals to you, you add that part in that story.
Absolutely.
And where I was staying, there was Mahabharat, Puran.
Okay.
So 15 days, my father used to go there
Okay.
to listen Bhagavad Saptah, Bhagavad Puran.
And where was this? Like where
Miraj,
you-
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Right.
It was the birthplace of Vinayak Patvardhan,
Okay.
Paluskar, Vishnu Digambar Paluskar.
Okay.
All they were in my vicinity. They were staying near my place.
Okay.
So I used to go there
Okay.
just to listen what they sing or what they told story. Because in the morning they used to read the Sanskrit text,
Okay.
and in the afternoon they used to tell the Anuvad.
Anubad.
Anubad.
The translation. Basically.
Translation. And my duty was to make a rangoli for each day
Okay.
during that Bhagavad Saptah.
Bhagavad-
Because what
okay.
he is going to tell today,
Right.
what story he is going to tell today.
And based on that, you used to make
Yes,
the rangoli.
something like
Something-
that. I was
okay.
very small, 8 or 9 years.
Okay.
But whatever I used to do, they used to appreciate that.
Based on that, you used to draw the
Yes.
rangolis. Okay.
And my grandfather used to go to Akhada.
Okay.
So they used to have Hanuman Chalisa and something like that. Hanuman Jayanti was big festival.
Right.
So mine was to make Hanuman
Okay.
for that occasion.
Okay.
So actually art is not something which is told by somebody, you have to do like this, you have to do like this.
Right.
It comes automatically, and if you are keen to do it, it
Right.
becomes very easy.
Absolutely.
My elder brother was interested in literature.
Literature.
So he used to read a lot.
Right.
My younger brother was musician. He is a musician. He is a vocalist.
Okay.
So he was more interested in music, classical music.
Okay.
My father has all these ingredients in him, but he couldn't really explore them because
Right.
of social family pressures. Because
Okay.
he was the eldest and he has to earn for the whole family.
Right.
So what he did best
Okay.
was to inculcate those things in 3 different children. So
Okay.
he told me that you are good at it. My teacher also told me that you are good at drawing. Why don't you start that?
Right.
So I used to get not guidance as such, but I used to get freedom to do it.
So you never learned formally drawing
No,
your
in
childhood?
school.
In school, you learned it in school.
Yeah, in school there was drawing teacher, and
Okay.
we had a beautiful drawing department.
Okay.
And my teacher was from Dede School of Art.
Okay.
He was graduate from there, and he was fantastic watercolorist.
Okay.
So still life, drawing, model drawing.
Okay.
He used to do perspective in school.
Right.
Intermediate and school grade examinations, I passed from that.
Okay.
So basically, I learned few ingredients, but
Okay.
never bogged down by the many things that something is to be done in art or
Okay.
ideas or nothing like that.
Nothing like that.
Whatever pleases you, you do it.
You did that.
But main thing is how you get encouragement, that
Right.
family bonding and encouragement of the surrounding people.
That is very important.
That makes you more happy
Right.
and open up.
And that gives you kind of support to move
Exactly,
forward.
Exactly, and it is support in such a way that it doesn't bother you much.
Mhm.
So you are not confined to do only that.
Okay.
If you want to do something else, you can do that.
Right.
My father never pressurized me to do anything which you don't like. I was average student, got 65%, 70% marks in 60s.
Right.
Used to be, I could have got admission in engineering college as it is. But
Perfect.
I thought, my father told me that why can't you go to engineering college? I told him I can go, I may be, I may pass the examination, I
Right.
may be an engineer, but I will not enjoy it. So why to do something
Right.
which you can't enjoy? Let me do painting.
Right.
So he allowed me, but he said that I can't afford that education.
Mhm.
But you do first teacher training, art teacher training course.
Okay.
You study that. If
Okay.
you get some job as an art teacher,
Right.
you can do part-time course in the evening.
Okay.
So I joined in Pune
Mm-hmm.
for art teacher course
Okay.
initially.
Initially.
I couldn't get job.
Okay.
I was not good in teaching.
Okay.
So I continued my studies
Okay.
in painting.
Okay.
I don't know whether I was good student or not,
Okay.
but I used to enjoy a lot.
So you studied art
In
from
Pune.
Pune.
Abhinav Kala Vidyalaya.
Adivana Kala Vidyalaya. Okay.
It was the course was JJ School of Art,
Okay.
Maharashtra government course.
Maharashtra. And it
The
was for how many
examination
years?
was for Maharashtra government.
It
5
was
years.
5 years course.
5 years
Yep.
course.
Perfect.
So I did it in 74.
Right.
I passed it in 74. But I was fortunate that I met a very good teacher,
Right.
Gondharekar.
Gondharekar.
Yes, he was dean when I was born. In
Okay.
1953, he was dean JJ School of Art,
Okay.
and I was born in that. And he had traveled the whole world.
Okay.
He studied in Central School London.
Okay.
Then he had a studio in Paris.
Okay.
He traveled a lot in Italy, Rome, Egypt, all these places,
Okay.
and did marvelous drawings on the spot. And he studied printmaking also.
Okay.
And he was first director of Illustrated Weekly
Okay.
in Bombay.
Right.
So he used to do wood engravings.
Wooden engravings.
And in Pune, when I was there, he was teaching art history to students. And I never studied art history as such. But
Okay.
I was very much curious to know about things. So I always argued about the books in college. Why
Right.
don't you buy books?
Right.
Because everybody must look at what is happening around.
Right.
So my principal gave me in the end that this is 7,000 rupees. You go and get the list of what books you want in your library.
Okay.
So for every Saturday I used to make a visit
Okay.
in the shop which was in Pune in camp area.
Okay.
It was a huge shop.
Okay.
I used to make list for the whole year and used to give that.
So you used
these
to
are
buy-
the books
Okay.
which we want for students to study. And those books were purchased.
Okay.
So that time I saw first time Samakalin of Lalit Kala,
Some
Watch-
kind of contemporary art.
contemporary art published by Lalit,
Lalit
Kala.
Kala.
So all these books I started gathering when I was student. So for the students, they must know what is happening.
So reading books and all this, it's you believe that it also inspires.
Actually, it opens up your mind.
Absolutely.
I was not good in English because I studied all the way in Marathi language,
Right.
but all the books were in English.
In English.
So what to do?
And right now it's the case is the
Yeah,
fact
it's
is
more-
the same. It's more like the
worst.
same, and it's most of the literature is in English.
But what I did, so my college was in the afternoon.
Right.
So I joined arts college in the morning.
Okay.
From 7 to 12,
Right.
I did BA in English literature from
Perfect.
Pune University.
Okay.
Just
Great.
to make aware that I should be able to read English and must understand what is written in the books.
Read in the books.
I was not interested in being a writer or anything, but
Right.
should be able to understand what is written.
Absolutely.
That was my basic requirement. I did that in 75
Okay.
and did the graduation from painting college also in 75,
Okay.
both together.
Okay.
That gave me a good sound base.
Okay.
And during that period, Max Muller Bhavan was very active in Pune.
Okay.
They had two major exhibitions of prints in Pune at that time.
Okay.
And one was very recent works done in early 60s in Germany. They were exhibited in 74 or 75 in 76 in Pune.
Okay.
Hard edge prints which
Okay.
were exhibited late in 90s in Modern Art Gallery here. I saw those in 78.
In 78.
Yes. And another exhibition which was exhibited in 2000 here,
Right.
which I saw it there.
Saw it then.
So I was
and when you
fortunate.
were a student, basically,
No, I passed out.
you passed out.
But I was curious, and only because of those exhibitions,
Uh-huh.
I was really interested how it happens, how the print happens.
And that might have pushed you towards the prints,
Yes, that was the reason.
right?
That
Okay.
was the reason. And Gondhalekar was one teacher that he was able to translate things in very simple language.
Right.
At that time, he was editor of Vishwakosh in Marathi,
Vishwakosh.
and he was editor of art section of that.
Okay.
So he was writing more about art for that encyclopedia in Marathi,
Right.
and he was he used to tell me, this is the basic material.
Okay.
Now you choose where you get it and how you can refine it. So he used to go. We used to go to a press
Okay.
and get the blocks, old blocks.
So you have to explore on your own.
Yes. No, he told us that this is the press. There you go and ask for the blocks.
Okay.
At that time, all the newspaper had a tabloid had a very big artwork printed every
Right.
week.
Right.
One landscape or one portrait
Right.
on weekly paper.
Right.
And those blocks were quite big.
Right.
And they used to sell it per kg
Per kg.
because that's a waste material for them.
Okay.
So we used to bring them and then brasso it, polish it, make it plain again by
Okay.
buffing it,
Okay.
and do dry point, engraving sort of thing. And what kind of tools we are, then you used to take to goldsmith to
Okay.
tell these are the tools the goldsmith used, and even Dürer used the same tools.
Or to the sonar. So you.
No, he told the Dürer also used the same tools.
Acha. So, but you went to the sonar basically, to the
Yes,
goldsmith,
Yes, yes.
and you asked
He-
them for the tools.
No, he took us there.
Okay. Your teacher took you there.
Yes.
Okay.
These are the tools even the Dürer used.
Dürer
So
used.
you are not new to them. You must use it. So actually, art history was teaching like this. It is not.
It's more
date.
practical way to
Ah.
teach.
Actually, not dates, remembering the dates and other things.
Right.
But what made him Dürer?
Okay.
Why he is so great?
Absolutely.
That is more important.
That
than
is more important.
Knowing the dates and other things, what happened to his family or anything.
That
like
is not. That is not a.
So that way, and he used to teach Raphael, Leonardo, Mona Lisa, all this as if you are standing in front of the painting,
Painting.
and he used to explain the painting.
Okay.
Like every technique he used to explain.
Okay.